It's a party, it's a party. Cover the walls with these flags. They'll make perfect decorations. Serve the punch. I've got enough glasses here for all our friends.
This bowl is for the potato chips. My mother said that we could use it. Hey, you guys, you want to see something? That's right, gather around, everyone. Step right up to see Ben, the world's greatest juggler.
Oh, Ben!
A 1, a 2, a 3. Not bad, huh?
Oh, Ben!
Watch me now. The big finish.
Oh, Ben!
Oh, no. What have I done? What have I done?
You broke your mother's bowl. But it's okay. Just make her another one out of clay.
How?
Start by rolling the clay into slugs. It says we'll need to roll lots of slugs. Start with slugs, and you can make anything out of clay.
Hey, I finished my bowl.
Then let's go to the kiln. It's a special oven just for baking clay. Oh, Ben, you did a nice job on that bowl. It looks as good as the old one.
I think it looks better, Juanita, 'cause I made it myself.
Ben, what color are you going to paint your bowl?
I'm not sure. I guess I'd better make it the same as the one I broke.
Beautiful. That's real pretty. Should I make something too? Hey, I know. I'll use clay to make my best friend, Booty too.
Stop daydreaming, Pierrot, and get to work. Good for you, Pierrot. See what you can do when you stop daydreaming and start working? Pierrot. Pierrot!
What? Oh, I didn't hear you, Booty Two. I must have been daydreaming again.